Hey guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So, first na gagamitin ko is my Nivea Anti-Blemish Facial Wipes just to clean the face, and it's really important to have a clean canvas before applying your makeup. So, lahat ng products na ginamit ko dito is drugstore and local brands lang. To start off, I'm gonna be using this Ingrid Cosmetic Base. This is a primer slash corrector, kaya color green siya. So, for the primer, hindi ko ganun kakapalan kasi she said na hindi naman siya ganun ka-oily, so she doesn't need too much primer na. And for my foundation, I'm gonna be mixing this Ingrid Cosmetic Foundation. The other one is the full coverage and yung isa naman is light silky foundation. Pero this foundation, yung coverage niya, super full talaga. As in, not that full, pero medium to full coverage siya, and the price is super affordable. I'm gonna be putting down below lahat ng information about sa mga ginamit ko sa tutorial na to. So, I'm just gonna buff it using my Real Techniques blender. This blender is super affordable and worth the money kasi hindi siya ganun kamahal compare sa isang beauty blender, pero the work is same lang naman. And for my concealer, I'm gonna be mixing these two concealer from Ingrid Cosmetic. So, I'm gonna be using the first concealer na light sa mga area na gusto ko mag-pop, and then second concealer naman is medyo light lang ng konti on her skin tone. So, I love this technique kasi mas nagmumukhang nagbe-blend yung concealer sa foundation, not like pag isang tone lang. It's really natural tingnan, lalo na pag na-blend na siya into the skin. It's just natural tingnan pag ganun yung nagagawa ko, not like pag isang concealer lang yung nilalagay ko. Parang halatang-halatang may white concealer under eye, kaya ko nilalagyan ng medyo dark shade na concealer para nagbe-blend yung end ng concealer to the skin or to the foundation. So, the second product na gagamitin ko is from Mumuso, and this concealer is the best. Like, OMG guys! I'm loving this for 2 months. Ginagamit ko siya on my clients. I'm loving the result. Hindi siya nagkikrease. Super affordable, pero I can't find it na. Like, sabi ng iba, sold out na daw. To set her face, I'm gonna be using this Fashion 21 pressed powder, and at the same time, i-remove ko na din yung mga powder na binake ko on her face. So for the eyebrow, I'm gonna be using this LOL Cosmetics Eyebrow Powder Duo, pero binasa ko siya just to make it more pigmented kasi to be honest, hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. So, you really need to put effort on this thing kasi hindi talaga siya ganun ka-pigmented. And here, I changed the brush kasi nga mas precise to compare sa isa. And I just making it more defined. Kaya, patong ako ng patong ng powder. So, to change the shade of her eyebrow, I'm gonna be using my Nishido Eyebrow Mascara. This thing is so amazing. Like, hindi ko ipagpapalit to sa MAC Girl Boy na brow mascara. And I'm just gonna put it on the eyebrow, and I'm gonna be using again the concealer na ginamit ko, and I'm just gonna clean the edges of her brows to make it more on fleck as what I want. So, to intensify her brows, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Powder Duo, and ilalagay ko yung dark na shade sa end of the brows to make it look more strong. So, done for the brows, and now let's go for contouring her nose. And gagamitin ko lang yung Eyebrow Duo Powder ulit from LOL. And don't be shocked if I put too much contour on her nose kasi after that, ibabuff ko rin siya using my brush, and pag complete na yung look, it will come as one lang talaga. I promise. So, I'm gonna buff it using the Fashion 21 loose powder para mabawasan yung contour niya para hindi ganoon ka-harsh tingnan. So, for highlighting the brow bone, I'm gonna be using this Fashion 21 single eyeshadow powder. And if you follow me on IG, I post a lot, lahat ng mga binili ko on this tutorial. Pero don't worry kasi po ilalagay ko siya down on the description box para alam nyo and kasama na yung price para may idea kayo kung magkano siya. And for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Fashion 21. So, I'm gonna be mixing the number 3 and number 4 shade on the palette and I'm gonna build the color the way I want it to pop. And to be honest guys, it's really hard to build the color kasi hindi ganun ka-pigmented yung eyeshadow. Pero for me, it's okay lang kasi affordable naman siya and at the same time, okay naman yung color niya. You just need to put effort para makuha mo yung color na gusto mo. Next shade that I'll be using is the number 6 and ilalagay ko lang siya on the crease, on the end of the crease, concentrating it to make the eyes look more defined. So the next product is from Nishido again and this is a single eyeshadow. It's kind of mauve na parang violet na warm eyeshadow and I'm gonna pat it on eyelids to make the eyes look smoky. OMG, why it's so hard for me to explain? Hindi siya ganun kapigmented, so I decided to spray a little bit of face mist. Pwede rin namang water just to make the eyeshadow look more pigmented and kakapit talaga siya on the eyelids. As you can see, yung binasa ko ng water, mas dark yung color ng eyeshadow. And here I'm taking my LA Girl eyeliner, gel eyeliner, and line her eyes. I did some wing eyeliner today. I really don't know, pero I just feel doing this cat eye lang. For the eyelashes, I'm gonna be using the EB Cosmetic eyelashes and the style Eunice, and yung ginamit ko ring adhesive is from Ever Belena. I'm sorry if minsan nabubulol ako. Actually, lagi. I really don't know. Pero I'm just using here the shade number 16 and then blending it together to make it as one. So, I'm gonna be picking up the shade number 6 again and nilalagay ko siya sa lash line para mag-smoke it out and put my LA Girl gel liner. So to blend it out, I'm gonna be using again the Nishido single eyeshadow and then ilalagay ko yung silver na eyeshadow sa tear ducts to make the eyes look pop, and my favorite mascara. So if you're looking for a good mascara, Maybelline is the best when it comes to mascara. For the blush, I'm gonna be using this orangey blush from the Fashion 21 and gagamitin ko ulit yung Nishido na single eyeshadow to highlight her face. I'm gonna be using a red lip liner and the one I'm using is from Fashion 21 Auto Pen Lip Liner. And medyo i-overline ko lang yung lip to make the lips more pouty and full. British accent lang, Paul. And to make it more packed, I'm gonna be using my BYS matte lipstick in the shade Cherry Bomb. And there you have it. This is the complete look, guys. Ooh, you look so fierce, girl. And there you have it, guys. This is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it and see you on my next video. Bye! Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and comment down below what you want to see on my next video.